know that that's on me.
Never had a moment where I ever questioned you. You already know that. I ain't never stressed with ya. Love me and you own that. That's why I'm so impressed with ya, blessed with ya. If you haven't noticed, I am at my best with ya, yeah. Yeah, they know you're my heart. Yeah, they know I'm about you. I hate when we're apart, 'cause I love me, you.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see by the title, today we're going to be doing another step-by-step video. It is going to be a slide tutorial. It is my first time doing it, so we're going to see how it comes out. But I washed and prepped my hair. I washed it, put some twists in it. As you all know, I did my big chop. If you watched my faux lock video, I did my big chop a year and a month ago. I basically just wanted to show you guys how I get the style of my hair. Like I said, I prepped my hair, so I have like these twists on my hair. So don't laugh at me, they like dookie twists. They mad little child. The shrinkage is real, honey. I'm about to show you how these funny twists on my head. So yeah, the shrinkage is real though. Cause sis is growing, okay? She going right bite. Period. Put this back on my head, y'all. I wanted to, you know. Cause y'all not about to be screenshotting me. No. I wanted to record myself doing it. I had to order some hair from Amazon. Then I found out later from a client that it's a freaking beauty supply store open on not far from my house. So anyways, I got this hair from Amazon. Ron saying here. It's supposed to be itch free, feather light, hot water curl. And I got 6 packs for, I believe it was $40. $40. Or close to 40. It was around, yeah, it was like $40. So, I just got me the color 1B. And it's 18 inches. So, I wanted to do medium-sized passion braids. Boho passion braids. I think they're so freaking cute, especially in this black. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I get started, how I do this cute little style or whatever, stay tuned. Before we get into the video, before we get into the video, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. If you are not already subscribed to your girl channel, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share. Yeah, let's get into the video. this is where I'm at so far. As y'all can see, like I said, I am 1 year and a month post big chop. And I literally big chop, like I completely shaved off my hair. So my hair is grown. But I'm just gonna show y'all again what I'm doing. So I part my hair. I'm taking out the things as I go because I have to repart. So I'm using Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion. And I'm just gonna take a tad bit of it and make sure my hair is moisturized. Check me out, sis. Period. So I'll take that, and then I'll take some of my jam or gel or whatever you choose to use to go on the top of that. Put it on here. I've already pretty much smoothed this piece out. Then I'm taking 2 pieces of the hair, depending. This one is on the side, so it's not going to be as big as the other one. So I'm just taking these 2, and I'm just gonna start braiding like a box braid. The 2-strand method, not the 3-strand. I tried the 3-strand in the beginning, and it just wasn't working for me. So just braid just like that. You choose based on however big the size of the part is, how many strands of hair, of the crochet hair you want to use. This one was smaller, so I used 2 pieces, but some of the pieces have 3 or 4 pieces. The ones in the back have 3 to 4 pieces. The back of my head, so just gonna start braiding, continue braiding, and of course just like a feed in if needed. If you need to add extra hair, you could just simply do that. And once I get to the end of my hair right here, I'm going to take a piece from this here and simply add it to my hair as the 3rd strand, and then keep braiding down. Just like that. And then when I get to a certain point where I feel that I want some of the hair to come out, I'm just going to take a piece. I'm going to show you guys in a second, but I'm just going to take a piece of whichever side is bigger, whichever strand is bigger, which is going to be this one. I'm going to take a piece out and continue braiding down without that piece. I'm going to show y'all just a second. I'll be looking in the mirror to make sure my camera's still recording, so that's why I don't be. That's why my sister texted me. Just gonna braid and braid and braid on that. And of course, it's not done because I'm gonna water set this, hot water set all this. Braid it a little bit more, like a few more down. Then I'll take my hair out. Take this piece out because it's already smaller. And I'm finishing off my braids the same way as I would with the regular box braids. When I get to the end, I don't like to leave them loose because they could easily just unravel. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do. Same way, if you watched my knotless box braid video, which I will put a link here for you to watch it, it's basically the same exact thing that I did in that video at the ends. That's the only thing I hate about braiding hair. It tangles so easily. Then I don't want to comb out the tangles because it's going to mess up the curl pattern. Because I did that on one of these and it messed it up. Hopefully it'll come back when I put it in hot water. That's what I'm hoping. But we gonna see. Y'all, this show The Dark is really good. I just started watching it today. I'm on episode 8. It's mad good. And I've been seeing it up there on Netflix for a long time. But I never thought to watch it. And I think because when I first saw it, it was only like one season. I hate watching shows that only have one season because then I be wanting to watch the rest and it's not up there. So I try not to watch stuff until I see at least 2 or 3, and with 2 it really depends on how many episodes in that one. Like it has to have at least 10 episodes in a season, because that's a good 20 episodes. Like that's a good little binge session. It's still minor, but it's better than one season. Because I'm spoiled now. I don't like having to wait for the next season. Like I need it all right here, so I can go ahead and watch it all together. Sit there for a good week watching the same show until I'm done. I'm spoiled now, child. I don't like that. Okay, so we get to the end. This how much hair I want left out. I take a little piece and I'm just going. You know what? I'm lying. I did not do a tutorial on the box braids. I'm thinking about the dang, why can't I talk? The faux locks. So there's that. So I'm going to go and finish the top. I'll come back probably when I get to like right here, like the last one, and I'm gonna show y'all what I do. And then I'm going to finish ripping and hot water set everything, and then we're gonna style it. guys, so I am finished. I love them. As you can see in the last clip, I gave you all just, you know, a little bit of a preview of what it looks like before I dipped it. But I went ahead and dipped it and put it up. I didn't want to mess with it too much, but I did have to cut some of the little pieces I left out because they were like long, and I forget that hair tangles really easily. So when I dipped them, those little pieces were getting tangled, so I just snipped them off just a little bit. But yeah, this is the hair in a bun, and I love them. It has been a minute since I've had like regular box braids. Since the last time I had knotless and all of that, so I'm still like having to get used to the fact that my head is sore right now. Like I say, I haven't had box braids in a minute, like a year or whatever. So yeah, but I love them, and this is the finished product. If you all enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please, please, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, here are some other videos you should check out. Bye.